Namaste ji.
Namaste, Honorable Prime Minister, sir.
Can you tell us about your family and the kind of agriculture activity you do?
Yes, sir. I'm a pineapple farmer from Bonglon village, Chusanpur district, Manipur. And I'm a mother of 2 children. I cultivate Q pineapple in 6 acres of my own land. The pineapple grown here in Manipur is very sweet, and it is famous for its excellent taste and its quality, sir.
How do you sell your pineapples?
Sir, actually, our FPC Lomi Farmer Producer Company has signed an agreement with Mera Foods. Mera Foods proprietor who is sitting just next to me, Madam Supra. She's the proprietor and she's also an entrepreneur, women entrepreneur. And she's also working for the welfare of women and also for working on processing of organic pineapples. Those pineapples that we supply to her are processed into slice, cubes in cans, and pineapple jams, pineapple candy, pineapple squash extra for exports. This increases the demand of our pineapple resulting in better prices, sir. And not only that, our FPC is also tied up with many other marketing agencies. They send our pineapple to other states, to many major cities of the country, and even to Europe, sir.
Aja, what assistance benefit have you got from the government?
Sir, the assistance that we get from the governments are like MOVCD NER scheme. Under that MOVCD NER scheme, we get free planting materials and DBT direct bank transfer of rupees 7,500 for 2 years to buy organic input. And organic certifications were also issued to the farmers and also from farmer producer company. And before that, in the year 2014-15, my farm income was only rupees 50,000 with productivity of 12 metric ton per hectare. And after joining this MOBCD scheme and with the introduction of this organic farming, our farming condition is getting much better than before. So now I can earn my farm income rises to 4 lakhs with productivity of 25 metric ton per hectare, sir. And besides this, sir, I myself is also one of the PM Kisan beneficiary. I received 2,000 each in every installment, sir. All this assistance help my agriculture more productive and profitable, sir.
चलिए, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। इस समय तो पूरा देश मणिपुर का फैन हो गया है। ऐसा लग रहा है लोग मणिपुर को मीरापुर बोलने लग गए हैं। पहले ओलंपिक प्रदर्शन में मीराबाई चानू और अब आप और आपका एफपीओ पूरे भारत के किसानों के लिए एक प्रेरणा है। आपने बताया कि आपकी आय बढ़ गई है। मेरा यही मानना है कि अगर किसान उपज में वैल्यू एडिशन करता है, सप्लाई चेन का हिस्सा बनता है, तो उसकी आय काफी बढ़ जाती है। आप इसका बहुत बड़ा उदाहरण है। आप ऐसे ही अच्छा काम करते रहिए। सरकार की तरफ से आपको पूरा सहयोग मिलेगा। मणिपुर सरकार भी काफी कर रही है, भारत सरकार भी कर रही है, और ये डबल इंजन की सरकार आपके विकास और किसानी की भलाई के लिए काम कर रही है। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Thank you, sir, for the introduction, sir. Before we wind up, I would like to take the honor of inviting you to come to visit our place and visit our farm. You can visit the place, the villages of Manipur. Thank you. Thank you for the introduction, sir.
धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू।